Dear students, welcome to the tutorial on arithmetic sequence. First, we define the sequence, then we define what is arithmetic sequence. Definition of a sequence. A sequence is a function whose domain a set of successive integers. For example, consider the function f of n is equal to 2n minus 1, where the domain of this function is set of natural numbers n. That means all counting numbers, all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Substitute n equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to 2 multiply 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. F of 1 is equal to 1. Substitute n is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 minus 1, 3. F of 2 is equal to 3. Substitute n equal to 3, f of 3 is equal to 2 multiply 3, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. F of 3 is equal to 5 and so on. So, it is a sequence. Consider the sequence 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Each term in a sequence can be referred to by its place in the sequence. That is first term, second term, third term, fourth term and so on, so nth term. In this example, the first term is 3, the second term is 6, the third term is 9 and the fourth term is 12. Definition of arithmetic sequence. A sequence A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN and so on is called an arithmetic sequence if there exists a constant d called the common difference such that AN is equal to AN minus 1 plus d for n greater than 1. That is A2 minus A1 is equal to D, A3 minus A2 is equal to D, A4 minus A3 is equal to D and so on. AN minus 1 is equal to D. So in the sequence the difference is common. So the type of sequence we can call arithmetic sequence. Definition of arithmetic series. An arithmetic series is the sum of an arithmetic sequence. The sum of n terms of an arithmetic sequence is Sn is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so on so plus An. Some results on arithmetic sequence. The common difference of an arithmetic sequence is given by D is equal to An minus 1 for every n greater than 1. The nth term of the arithmetic sequence is An is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 multiply D. In this, A1 is first term of the arithmetic sequence. D is common difference of the arithmetic sequence. Sum of first n terms of an arithmetic sequence is given by Sn is equal to n divided by 2 multiply 2A1 plus n minus 1 multiply D. This is the first form. The second form, to find the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic sequence is Sn is equal to n divided by 2 multiply a1 plus an. If you know the first term, nth term of the arithmetic sequence, we can find sum of the first n terms of arithmetic sequence by using this formula. Example 1. Write the first three terms of the sequence that has the general term an is equal to 2 multiply n square plus 5. This is general term or nth term of the sequence. An is equal to 2n square plus 5. We have to find the first three terms of the sequence. So, putting n equal to 1, we will get the first term of the sequence a1 is equal to 2 multiply 1 square plus 5. This gives 2 plus 5, that is 7. This is first term of the sequence. Substituting n equal to 2, a2 is equal to 2 multiply 2 square plus 5. So, 8 plus 5, that is equal to 13. This is second term of the sequence. Substituting n equal to 3, a3 is equals to 2 multiply 3 square plus 5. That is 18 plus 5 equal to 23. This is the third term of the given sequence. First term a1 is equal to 7. Second term a2 equal to 13. Third term a3 is equal to 23. Example 2. Write down the seventh term and the nth term of the arithmetic sequence 7, 11, 15 and so on. So, solution. In the given sequence, first term a1 equal to 7, second term a2 equal to 11, third term a3 is equal to 15. First we can find the common difference d. a2 minus a1, 11 minus 7 equal to 4. a3 minus a2, 15 minus 11 equal to 4. In the given sequence, the common difference is same, therefore it is an arithmetic sequence. The nth term of an arithmetic sequence is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 multiply d. The first term of the given sequence 7. an is equals to 7 plus n minus 1 multiply 4. This is the nth term of the given arithmetic sequence. We have to find seventh term. So substitute n equal to 7. In this nth term, substitute n equal to 7. a7 is equal to 7 plus 7 minus 1 multiply 4. That equal to 7 plus 7 minus 1, 6. 6 multiply 4, 24. 7 plus 24 becomes 31. This is the seventh term of the given arithmetic sequence. Example 3. The sixth term of an arithmetic sequence is 17 and the 13th term is 38. Determine the 19th term. Solution. The nth term of an arithmetic sequence is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 multiply d. To find the nth term of the arithmetic sequence, we need first term a1 and common difference. So first we have to find out these two terms a1 and d by using given conditions. Sixth term is 17, 13th term is 38. Substitute n equal to 6 in this nth term. a6 is equal to a1 plus 6 minus 1 multiply d. So a6 value 17 is equal to a1 6 minus 1 5 multiply d, which gives equation 1. Substitute n equal to 13. A13 is equal to A1 plus 13 minus 1, 12. So A1 plus 12D is equal to 13th term is 38. We will get the second equation. From these two equations, we eliminate A1 value, we will get the common difference. So equation 2 minus equation 1. A1 minus A1, 0. 12D minus 5D, 7D. 38 minus 17, 21. From this, common difference D is equal to 3. Substituting D value in equation 1, we will get the first term of the sequence. A1 plus 5 multiply 3, 15 equal to 17. So A1 is equals to 17 minus 15, that is 2. This is the first term of the given arithmetic sequence and common difference is 3. Hence, the 19th term is An is equals to A1 plus n minus 1 multiply D. In this, substitute n equal to 19. A19 is equal to first term A12 plus 19 minus 1, 18. 18 multiply 3, 54. 2 plus 54, 56. This is 19th term of the given arithmetic sequence. Example 4. Find the sum of first 26 terms of an arithmetic sequence if the first term is minus 7 and the common difference is 3. In the problem, n equal to 26, first term A1 is minus 7 and common difference D is equal to 3. The sum of first n terms of an arithmetic sequence is given by Sn is equal to n divided by 2 multiply 2A1 plus n minus 1 multiply D. We have to find the sum of first 26 terms of an arithmetic sequence. So substitute n equal to 26 in this equation. Yes, 26 is equal to 26 divided by 2 multiply 2 multiply first term of the sequence minus 7 plus 26 minus 1 multiply common difference 3. So 26 by 12, 13. 2 multiply minus 7 minus 14. 26 minus 1, 25. 25 multiply 3, 75. 75 minus 14, 61. 61 multiply 13, 793. This is our required S26. That means the sum of the first 26 terms of the arithmetic sequence is 793. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have learned to arithmetic sequence. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. First question, write the first 5 terms of the sequence that has the general term An is equal to 3 multiply n minus 2. Second question, write down the 16th term and the nth term of the arithmetic sequence 3, 3.5, 4 and so on. Third problem, let A1, A2, A3 and so on An be an arithmetic sequence. Find the indicated quantities. A problem, A1 first term is equal to 25, A15 is equal to 32. Find A64, that means 64th term of the arithmetic sequence. B problem, A1 is equal to 4, S10 is equal to 35. That means the sum of the first 10 terms of the arithmetic sequence S10 is 35. Find A10, 10th term of the arithmetic sequence and common difference.